I hate McDonald's.
Burger, pizza, fries.
Yes, no stomach problems. It was fine. Yeah.
Ham, pineapple, tomato and bacon.
The grease. It's just makes it taste so much better, I guess.
I won't do it today, mainly when I'm really hungover.
I didn't realise there needed to be an occasion. Any time is a good occasion for me.
15?
15 chickens! Hiya, welcome to Easy English. So today I want to know what junk food typical Brits eat. Now junk food or comfort food, or if you're on a diet, a cheat meal, is knowingly bad or unhealthy food that you eat to make yourself feel better. Whether you're sad, hungover, or just feeling a bit lazy, this is the food to help get you through the day. So without further ado, let's find out what junk food typical Brits eat. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy English. Here we go. What is your go-to junk food?
Probably a Five Guys, mainly because of the peanut butter milkshake, if I'm honest.
A real peanut butter milkshake?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I would definitely recommend fish and chips.
McDonald's, Burger King, or like Domino's.
Do you eat comfort food or do you eat junk food?
Usually not, but yesterday I ate fish and fries. My junk food of choice is without doubt pizza.
Pizza?
Pizza.
Is there a specific brand of pizza that you like? A local pizza house or something?
Yeah, God, where do I? Fatto Amano is very good.
Good shout.
Which is a local one here in Brighton.
I'm a big fan of that as well. Tell me, what is your favourite junk food?
Oh, my favorite junk food in Germany is Thai food. That's always fresh and really, really delicious.
What is your kind of go-to comfort food? Or
Papa
junk?
John's ham and pineapple pizza with bacon and tomatoes with stuffed crust.
So specific.
Yeah, every time.
And how did you come across this peanut butter milkshake?
I remember when I was going to college, I'd buy these little boxes of like peanut punch milkshakes from the corner shop.
Yeah.
And then they introduced me to peanut butter milkshakes, and then I saw it at Five Guys. I was like, I'm sold.
What is it about fish and chips that you like so much?
I think it's really bad, the grease. It's just makes it taste so much better, I guess.
That's a positive.
I mean, I guess so, yeah. I mean, it's not healthy for you. I wouldn't recommend it.
Will you have it again? Important question.
Yes, I think I would like to try it again. Not every week, but I will try it again.
What is it about pizza you like so much?
Oh, what's not to like? I mean, you've got the real soft, pillowy dough. You've got a really nice sort
Is
of...
it sourdough as well, right?
Yeah, those ones are the best.
I don't really know what the difference between normal pizza dough and sourdough, but...
I'm not sure. I just pretend that I do, so it makes me look like I know what I'm talking about. But then you've got the nice sort of tangy tomato sauce.
Yeah.
I don't know, you can have whatever toppings on there you like.
What do you usually go for?
I'm like a spicy sort of pepperoni, salami type guy.
Oh, what I like is Kentucky Fried Chicken.
You like KFC?
Yes, but not often because
Okay.
too much fat, and I think the meat is not the best.
Yeah, I'm not sure how much chicken is in Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Yeah, but sometimes it have to be.
And when are those sometimes? Why sometimes?
Oh, it's thank God far away from us.
Let's unpack what you said. So you go to Papa John's.
Yeah.
And why is that?
I don't know, the crust is kind of sweet in a weird way.
Okay.
And it's not crumbly like Domino's. Domino's, you end up flour everywhere. And I don't like it as much.
And then what's your topping?
Ham, pineapple, tomato and bacon.
Is this custom or is it is it your own thing? And how did you come across this topping?
I don't know. I like ham and pineapple anyway. And then one day I was like, oh, I like tomatoes and I like bacon. I'll just add them and it's just become my favourite.
Have you given it a name? You should give it a name.
I don't know.
If you get famous from this video, then they might name it after you.
Yeah,
Do you know what I mean?
hope so.
This video is sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your learning needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at your local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki with this link, go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in lesson credits. Is there a time and a place where you resort to the peanut butter? Will you do it today?
I won't do it today, mainly when I'm really hungover. It's when I need it. Yeah.
That feel-good stuff.
Yeah, 100%, yeah.
What kind of time and place is there when you'd go for the fish and chips?
It's got to be like come for a weekend. I feel like midweek just seems a bit too
Hangover,
rogue.
or
Maybe I don't drink, so for me, it's more just like the fun of fish and chips, I guess.
like lazy Sunday afternoon kind
Yeah,
of thing?
definitely. Like Friday, Saturday, definitely a Sunday. Yeah, that's the kind of go time.
What's usually the occasion for you getting pizza?
I didn't realise there needed to be an occasion. Any time is a good occasion for me.
But okay then, do you drink alcohol?
I do, yeah.
What's your go-to if you've had a bit of a rough? Is it a pizza still?
Yeah, it probably would be a pizza, or maybe a curry or something, perhaps.
Buy the really big bucket and eat it.
How many
And-
chickens are in one bucket?
I think 15?
15 chickens!
Yeah.
This is real junk food. This is what I
Yes.
want to know.
Okay.
Okay. And how
Okay.
does that make you feel? Not good?
No, that's good for a lazy Saturday evening when you can lay Sunday in the bed and hold your belly. Then it's okay.
And how does your Papa John's make you feel? Is it good? Like,
Oh, I just love it. It makes me so happy.
yeah, do you go into like food coma afterwards?
Yeah, you got to sleep afterwards.
That's always a good sign. Have you ever tried making your own sourdough pizza?
I've not, no, I'm not that adventurous. I'd give it a go. I'd rather not let myself down though and be disappointed.
Yeah, stick with the professionals.
Exactly.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know what you thought of this video and what your favourite junk food is and the occasion in which you resort to it. And we'll see you next week. Ta-ra!